Welcome students, lecture number 11. In this lecture, I will discuss additive identity of matrices. Additive identity means when you add two matrices, the identity of original matrix will not change. According to definition, in real numbers, 0 is additive identity. Why? Because when we add 0 to any number, the result will not change. For example, I have minus 5, and if I add 0 and minus 5, I got minus 5 in result. The identity of minus 5 or negative 5 will not change. So 0 is additive identity. And in matrices, 0 matrix is additive identity. Why? When you add null matrix to any other matrix, but the order of both matrices will be same, the sum you got is the original matrix. In matrices, 0 matrix is additive identity. When we add null matrix to any matrix with same order, the sum is the original matrix itself. We got the original matrix in the results. The identity of matrix will not change. For example, if you look at here, we have matrix A of 2 plus 2 order, and we have a null matrix of the same order. If we add both matrices, we got the original matrix A, and this is equal to A. And here we have matrix P of order 2 plus 1, and null matrix is also order 2 plus 1. If we add these two matrices, the sum is 1, 4, that is equals to B. So B plus 0 is B. Hope you enjoy this lecture. In next lecture, I will discuss additive inverse of matrices, and also the next exercise I will discuss each and every question of exercise 1.3. You guys